Hello everyone, today's video will explain how to use the CONDOR XC-003 to cut double-sided flat keys. First, turn on the main power switch, then press the white button to activate the lighting. Next, we'll align the key. For the first example, we'll demonstrate with the number 50 Hyundai Elantra key using the head positioning method. Rotate both side clamps to side D. Fix the original key in the left clamp. Insert the key positioning plate into the slot, and slowly push the key until it touches the positioning plate. Tighten the clamp, and follow the same steps for the right main clamp to secure the key blank. After that, remove the positioning plate. Short press the red button to enter standard mode. Firmly hold and lift the main handle, align the key blank with the rotating cutter, and slowly advance both the main and auxiliary handles for horizontal and vertical feed. Once cutting is complete, remove the key, flip it, and repeat the cutting process for the other side. After cutting, long press the red button to enter the continuous run mode. Use the high-speed grinding wheel to polish the cut key, smoothing the edges to prevent scratches and improve lock operation. In the second example, we'll demonstrate with the number 15 and E38 key using the shoulder positioning method. Rotate both clamps to side A. Secure the original key in the auxiliary clamp, and align it using the shoulder positioning plate. Fix the key blank in the main clamp, aligning it with the positioning plate, then remove the shoulder positioning plate. Short press the red button to enter standard mode. Hold the main and auxiliary handles firmly, and ensure the correct cutting position. After cutting, flip the key and repeat the process for the other side. Finally, long press the red button to enter the continuous run mode. The high-speed grinding wheel can effectively smooth out the edges of the key, achieving a smooth and precise finish. This is the complete operation process of the XC-003, designed to fully meet your key cutting and polishing needs. The innovative standard mode enhances safety and energy efficiency. If you have any questions about the XC-003, feel free to leave a comment below. See you.